honestly prefer hiking smaller areas like this. There's never a lot of people. I think I ran into a group of 4 people back there that were curious as to what I was looking at, and that black racer, so we got into a discussion about that. Other than that, there's not a single other person out here, just me in the woods. And that's what happens when you get away from the touristy spots and just find these little small preserves and things. You can really find solitude and a giant crowd if you look for it hard enough. All the little blackberries are just starting to set buds now. All the area is just full of them. There's some beautiful woods here. The black racer was really a treat. I've seen all kind of birds. I was being distracted by the birds. I saw the snake. Be neat to see this water levels were higher. They kind of really necessitate these little boardwalks. But this is a good sign. I hope that the twin swamps, the 2 swamps here, are really nice. See the dogwoods in bloom here. A few scattered around. Now we're coming to the split here. This makes a loop. So what we're gonna do is go to the right. Gonna stay in these upland woods for a bit. Hit the cypress swamp. And then come back and do that oak swamp last. Open the woods are here. All this greenery is fire, strangely enough. There's some small little saplings that are beginning to fill in again. Shagbark hickory. There's some gorgeous oaks and things through here. Love how just wide and open the canopy is. You can just see. It seems like forever, even though it's not, of course. Completely different fields. The landscapes that I usually hike. Finally, some little wildflowers besides violets. Ooh, anemone. Small little patch of this around here. But it's good to see something cropping up. And mayapple. Look at all the mayapple that have popped. Just a nice little habitat of them here. Toothwort, another early favorite. A little bit past its prime here, but it's good to see it too. I kind of wondered if I had missed some of these early spring plants here coming north. Storm damage. The line of storms not too long ago, just a week ago or something, dropped a number of tornadoes in the area, including an EF2. They've done a remarkable job at cleaning up a lot of the chaos here. Here we are at the split. This goes back to the other, this is part of the loop, and this leads out into the cypress swamp itself. The tree up ahead. I was hoping the closer we got to the water, more things I would find wildflower wise, and that is certainly the case. Bluebells, Virginia bluebells in bloom. Now that's an absolute treat to find. There's tons and tons of them scattered through the forest here. Wonderful. Those are some beautiful cypress trees. Oh, there's a woodpecker. Filled with duckweed. Look at the size of these cypress knees here. These things are easily 4 feet tall, probably some of them are 5 feet. beautiful little swamp here. Everyone thinks the swamps is murky and muddy. Look how clear the water is. Leave the duckweed, of course. So clear. You see some of the natural oils of the swamp meandering through too. Well, that was really cool. How those huge cypress trees. Now we're on a different little path. As part of this loop, headed to the overcup oak swamp. Very curious what that's like, because I've never been in an overcup oak swamp before. It's so lush and green through here. Quite nice. Curious little trillium. It looks red. I don't really know what species of trillium this is. This is not Sweet Betsy, this is something different. Cool. These two trees just kind of frame this area. This is a gorgeous stretch to walk through. An absolute behemoth of a tree here. Wow. That one is a beauty. Almost like we've transitioned out of a very bio-friendly zone. See how lush and green, that's where all the wildflowers are. And now we move back into this. It's barren. With the exception of some yellow and purple violets here and there. There's nothing. I see that, and then when you come across this little one. The overcup oak swamp. We'll walk down to the edge here, as close as I can get. Beautiful. Well, another little adventure, folks. Hope you enjoyed the cypress swamp and the overcup oak swamp, the butterflies and the wildflowers, which were a surprise to see, and maybe a new trillium for me. And the snake was cool. It's my first snake of the year. That was nice. I love finding black oysters. They're gorgeous. Until next time, keep exploring and stay wild.